The 2016-2023 Subaru Forester key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through replacing it. First, confirm you have a CR2032 battery. These are widely available for $2 to $5 online or at auto parts stores. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob. Work in a clean, dry environment to avoid static electricity, which can damage the fob's electronics. Subaru's My Subaru app may provide low battery warnings. If your fob shows visible damage like a cracked casing, consider replacing the entire fob instead of just the battery to prevent water damage and potential shorts. Battery failures typically occur after 1 to 2 years of use. To begin, gently pry open the fob's back cover using your flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully twist to separate the halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should face up. If there's corrosion on the contacts, clean them with a soft cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the fob cover back together, pressing firmly until it's securely closed. Finally, test the fob by standing 10 to 15 feet from your Forester and pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm proper function. If the fob doesn't work, try reprogramming it by cycling the ignition or consult a Subaru technician. Annual battery checks are recommended to prevent lockouts.